Yo, the legendary Lee Major Earthruler is dropping the absolute sick stuff, playing one in the world, no less. Dennis Brown and Booyah Bang, dub plate so fire, it's literally scorching the airwaves. They're blasting shots left, right, and center at Soul Supreme, Yarrow. An LP, like it's an all-out Sonics Battle Royale. Can you even handle this level of madness? This is next level, earth-shaking, mind-melting reggae royalty, going head-to-head in the most epic showdown you've ever witnessed. Damn, it's straight up legendary.